Hello everyone, we're from Group 1. Today we are so glad to present our study of biodiversity and abundance of corals in Krabi, Thailand. And here are our participants.
First, let's talk about coral. Coral reefs represent one of the most productive and biodiverse ecosystems in the world, second only to the high diversity found in tropical rainforests. Research has shown that increases in water temperature, nutrient input, stormwater runoff and turbidity, or sedimentation are contributing factors to coral disease. Additionally, coral bleaching severely weaken corals and make them more susceptible to disease. Coral reefs are some of the most important ecosystems in the ocean. Many around the world are dying at an alarming rate due to ocean acidification and rising water temperature from climate change. And total corals are maintained to have guidelines for proper care. Factors like temperature and water quality beyond human control also contribute to coral loss. As you can see in the image on your right-hand side, the image shown the difference of number of coral each area in Thailand. And you can see that some area, the number of the coral dropped in shock. And here is some example cause of the problem, such as environment problems, marine pollution, or unsustainable tourism.
Okay, so let's move to the benefits of conducting research. First, it is impossible to monitor the changes in coral reefs and check the status of the corals on God product. In cases where Mathematica can be used and the results are similar to those obtained with CPCE, it would make it much easier to calculate the number and identify the impact of corals in their surrounding environment. So everything rolls us to our adjectives. First, monitor biodiversity and abundance of corals in Gobi, Thailand. And the second is compare efficiency between both of software that we use for coral analysis. So the next topic of us is materials and methods of coral study. First thing we're gonna talk about is study sites. The study area was called Bada, Krabi District, Krabi Province, Southern Thailand. And the next is data collection. We collect picture and video of corals from this camera that you see on screen. And next is data preparation. First, we select and crop usable picture and video of corals using Clipchamp. Then we convert corals video to panorama using Image Composite Editor. And the last step, we color correcting and sharpening using Photos in Mac. Let's move to this data analysis from CPCE application. And the first step, we import all picture from the preparation step. Then we auto-generate 50 random points overlay each picture. After that, we identify object type each point in every picture. And the last step, we export Excel file from the program.
And next is data analysis from Wolfram Mathematica application. First, we select some picture from total. And next, we divide a picture to many small pictures, then identify types of object by hand. And third, Take them to train AI to classify and compare the accuracy between many models. And finally, we use machine learning model to classify and count objects.
Next is material method of water study. The data collection. The sample of water data obtained from the Nopparatara beach, Mt. Krabi district, Krabi province, southern of Thailand, and we obtained it 1,500 millimeters. And the second sample of water data we obtained is from Got Bada, Mt. Krabi district, Krabi province, southern Thailand, and we obtained is just only 500 millimeters. Let's move to the measurement of coral study. We're talking about data process. First, we collect the water samples from Got Bada and Nopparatara beach. Then we follow globe data collection method by measure each value 3 times. Clean the equipment after dipping in the water 2 times. First time we wash by the filter water and wipe with tissue. And the second time we wash by the filter water again and stabilize the value of the equipment. Don't forget to make sure that the difference between all value is not more than 0.05, or else you need to repeat all the process again. And on the screen you can see the average formula.
And next part is results and discussion. And this slide you can see coral results. Here is the coral results from CPC application. We present it in bar chart. As you can see, the number of dead coral with algae is almost equivalent to the normal coral. And we calculate Shannon-Weber index and Simpson index of diversity on your right-hand side. And next is the result from Wolfram Mathematica application. As you can see, we also present it in bar chart, and the number of dead coral is still high, like the previous result. And we also calculate Shannon-Weber index and Simpson index of diversity in your right-hand side. And next is water results. Here is the water results from Border. We measure 3 times of each value and calculate the average, as you can see. And from the criteria, you can see that the water in Border are not suitable for coral living. And next is Nopalat Beach water result. We also measure it 3 times and calculate the average like before. And with the same criteria, coral cannot living in here.
So we all know about the water that is not suitable for coral to live. So we have the troubleshooting guidelines for you all. First, increase the punishment for destroying coral reefs. Second, limit tourist traveling areas. Third, place artificial coral reefs to restore natural reefs. And the last one, installation of mooring buoys to prevent boats from being anchored on coral reefs.
And the final part is conclusion. The conclusion is the water quality analysis allowed Godpoda indicates that the pH level are inadequate for coral survival. However, the salinity is lower than what coral require, explaining why the most coral found in this area are dead. Corals cannot thrive in water with salinity level below a certain threshold. Additionally, most of the corals in encountered or in tourist areas, suggesting other factors contributing to that degradation or death. These include inadequate management by port authorities, sedimentation from coastal erosion and transport ships, and the introduction of pollutants harmful to coral, such as trash disposal in the sea and the use of non-leaf safe sunscreen. And here is the references.
Thank you for watching and listening to our painstaking research. We're so glad to be here to give you all information about the corals, and we hope this would be beneficial and can be used to develop something in the future. Thank you so much.